What is going on, everybody? Today I have a very special video for you guys. In my channel, all I've been doing has been installs, and I've been rarely in front of the camera. So today's video is going to be all about me in front of the camera, so you guys could get to know me. We are in my old neighborhood where I grew up. We're taking a trip down memory lane. Yeah, so we are taking a trip down memory lane so you guys could get to know me a little bit more. Hopefully this video turns out really good. I know I'm not the best at editing, and I'm trying to get better at it. So with this video, hopefully everything comes out together perfectly, so you guys could get the story, so you guys could get to know the story about my life. My friend from high school is actually helping me film this today. So everybody say hello to Sergio. Yeah, let's get to it. So this is actually the apartment where I actually grew up. 106 used to be our apartment. The other door over there was actually our main door. So behind here we actually had our bed. And as a kid, whenever somebody would walk by, I would always peek through the hole just to see who passed by. And then we over here, I think this was our mailbox back then. I had family that actually stayed right in front of us in 105. And just a funny little thing about me, when I was little, we used to have like this little car that I used to like push or ride as a baby. And the story that my mother told me was that she saw me going near the stairs and she didn't stop me because she thought that I would stop, and I didn't, and I just fell right over the stairs. But I didn't get hurt. So basically, this is the neighborhood I grew up in. I used to live in that apartment. I think I lived there for 7 to 8 years, because when I moved out of here and into South LA, I started 2nd grade over there. But basically, this is where I grew up. That was where I stayed at. This is actually the park that I used to come play with as a kid. There's also a laundromat over there where we used to go wash. Through the parking lot here, we used to walk around so I could actually go to pre-kinder and kindergarten and all that. Yeah. So what got me into cars probably and most likely was video games. My first ever video game when I got my PS2 was actually Need for Speed Most Wanted. Funny story, actually, instead of getting FIFA when I actually got my PS2, I actually got Need for Speed Most Wanted. That was the game that actually got me into cars. I loved racing, I loved customizing and all that. Yeah, I think that's the game that actually got me into cars, because after that I saw the Fast and Furious, and I think that movie just pushed my influences up to like cars. Why YouTube? Well, I think we all know YouTube, and there's like millions of videos out there. But I think the one video that got me hooked like on the spot was Dustin Williams' wide body install on his WRX. I think that was the first video I've seen from his channel. Seeing how happy it made him building his cars, doing it for YouTube, and making a living out of it kind of inspired me to do it, and it's a dream that I have right now. So the reason I do YouTube is because I want to follow my dream. I want to build cars and hopefully make a decent living out of it. And what better way of a job is there than to do what you love to do. So plans for a channel. So plans for a channel basically are for it, of course, to grow. I mainly work on my BRZ, and the way I see it is like, if I ever do accomplish my dream of building like a fully built car per se, I want to be able to look back at it and see where I came and seeing how this BRZ started it all, and hopefully be able to get more cars in the future and doing the same thing. Like, and that's kind of what I want to do. I want to work with cars. I want to build them into what I always do in games. I customize my cars, and I want to put that into real life, and that's mainly what I want to do with the channel. Not only that, I also want to inspire people to do what they want to do. What I did was, it's like, I went out, I got a camera, and I saved up for my car, and I'm trying to put myself in a situation where I'm the one building cars, buying parts. It's like, if you love what you're doing, you're gonna have fun. Putting all this into a video camera, it makes it even better, because then you can look at it and you can see where you came from, and it's a really nice feeling from all this. So if you guys want to do this, and let me tell you guys, just do it. It's the most fun you'll ever have, and if it doesn't work out for you, then at best it comes out as just experience for you guys, and you guys could go on and pursue other things. All those people have supporters, and all the time they say they would be nothing without their supporters. And I want to say the same thing about all you guys that are watching my channel, and all my close friends that are also watching my channel. But I really want to thank, and I appreciate the support from my friends that really helped me get to what I'm doing now, because I would not be here without you guys. I love that you guys motivate me, and I hope I can motivate you for you guys to also pursue whatever you guys want to do. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked the intro. I really hope you guys enjoyed learning more about me, and I just want to thank, like, literally everybody for helping me do this, that supports me and also motivates me. Also, I want to say thanks to my friend Sergio. He's been my longest friend since high school, and my most supportive friend as well. So he helped me film this. If it wasn't for him, I don't think I would have been able to do this by myself. So like I said, see you guys on the next video. Okay, so we made it to the end of the video, and I'm just making a quick shout out to someone special, and you know who you are. I know this is hard for you, but you're starting a whole new adventure, and that by itself is already really exciting. I just want to say, have fun in your life. Congratulations on all the things that are happening to you. I'm really happy for you. You've always been there for me, and I really do appreciate that. I still love you, and I'm always there for you, and I just wish you a happy trip, and for another exciting new life. I love you, I miss you, and I hope to see you soon again. And that was it. Now we reached the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you guys on the next one.